Hey students, this is an interesting question under trigonometry. Okay, we have a diagram. The question says we should consider the figure below. Find the angle ABC and the length AC. Okay, so it is very important that we understand what they are asking us to find. Now, angle ABC is actually the whole of this angle. And actually, if you really want to get this angle ABC, this is what you need to do. You need to actually find this angle and this angle, then you sum them together. All right, so that is exactly what you are going to be doing now. So in a bid to do this, now this is what you should do. If I were you to simplify it, I'm going to bring the triangle, bring out triangle ABD. No, okay, so I have triangle ABD now. This triangle ABD. Okay, I'm bringing triangle. This is B. You have A, then D. Of course, in the triangle, this place is 8, and this place is 6. Okay, good. So I need this place, and it's 10. Now, once you have this situation, this is what you can actually do. You can actually use cosine rule to actually find angle B. And remember, in the explanation for cosine rule, if here or a triangle before the cosine rule, and actually, if here is A, then the side BD facing capital letter A is going to be leveled by small a, and the side facing D is going to be leveled by small d, and so also this place is going to be leveled by small b. Now, by cosine rule, looking for b, okay, we are going to express b squared, that is b squared is equals to a squared plus d squared minus 2a d then cos b. Now this is our aim, is to get this b. All right, so therefore, of course, this is 8 squared is equals to 10 squared plus 6 squared minus 2 into 10 times 6 then cos b. So this is 64 is equals to 100 plus 36 then minus 120 then cos b. Now this is 64 is equals to 136 minus 120 cos b. Now moving or making cos b the surrogate formula, of course we are going to have 64 minus 136 is equals to minus 120 cos b. Now 64 minus 36, 136 is, you have minus 72 is equals to minus 120 cos b. So cos b is actually minus 72 all over minus 120. All right, then cos b, of course, when we do it, 72 over 120 will 0.6. So b is actually the cos inverse of 0.6, which pressing our calculator or operating our calculator, we are going to get the answer as 53.13. So we're done with that, with this aspect. Then let's move quickly and see the other part. That is the second. You see, we are done with this. So we are now coming to the second part of the B, angle B, which is we are going to consider CBD. All right, we are going to consider CBD. So this is what we have. All right, I'm bringing it out now. Okay, this is a CBD. Remember, this place is 9 and this place is 5 and this place is 10. So therefore, we now move quickly to find our angle B on this note. Now recall the same thing we did. Okay, that is the same thing we are going to do here. Now, here is D, okay, and here is C, and here is B. So B squared is equals to C squared plus D squared minus 2 CD then cos B. All right, the same thing is going to play out here. So 9 squared is going to be 10 squared plus 5 squared minus 2 into 10 times 5, then cos b. Okay, good. 81 then minus 125 is equals to minus 100 cos b. All right, so 81 minus 125 is minus 44 is equals to minus 100 cos b. So cos b is equals to 144 over minus 100. So cos b is equals to 0.44. Then b is equals to cos inverse of 0.44. All right, so using our calculator, our b will be equals to 63.9. Now remember our angle ABC is actually going to be this. So angle ABC will be the summation of this 53.13 plus 63.9, and our answer will be 117.03. So approximately is 117 degrees. So we have now actually found our angle ABC, which we are asked to find. So we are done with this part. So let's go to the second question. The second question is to find length AC. Now this is what you need to do. If I were you, I would now join this AC. Okay, this is what we are asked to find, this length AC. Now I'll bring out the diagram. Now bringing out the diagram, this is what I'm going to have. This is Roman figure 2. I'm going to have something like this. Okay, let me just make an attempt to draw this. Okay, good. So remember, this is A, this is B, and this is C. And of course, now we found this to be 117.03, which is approximately 117. Then recall we have 6 and 5. Okay, we have 6 here, we have 5 here. Then of course we are looking for C. Now we can actually find AC because from the orientation and from the knowledge we have, this is actually B, and this is small c, and this is small a. So we can now see that actually b squared is equals to c squared plus a squared minus 2ac. Then we have cos b, and of course we have our cos b already. So therefore we are going to have b squared, which is actually ac, is equals to 6 squared plus 5 squared minus 2 into 6 times 5, then cos 117. Let me use the 117. Okay, 0.03. Now I have b squared is equals to 36 plus 25, then minus 60, then cos 117.03. I'm using the raw value. I don't want to use the approximated value. Okay, so b squared is equals to, now having this b squared is equals to 61. I want you to watch and see what is going to happen now. This is 60. Now I need to use my calculator to find cos 117.03. Now cos 117.03 will be equals to minus 0.4545. Now if you check this minus and this minus, when they multiply it turns plus. So therefore b squared is going to be 61, then it's going to be plus. So 60 times that particular value will give 27.27. Now adding it together, b squared will be equals to 88.27. So b is going to be square root of 88.27. Square root of 88.27 will give us 9.395, which B approximately we say is 9.4 centimeters. So this is what we have. Therefore, our AC that we are asked to look for is actually 9.4 centimeters. So that is all about the question. We've actually found everything that we need to find. Okay, so keep watching and do not forget to subscribe for more interesting videos.